JINQUAN Plastics is a Chinese plastic pipe manufacturer and supplier, always focusing on the water supply and drainage fields, researching and producing high-quality products. After years of development, JINQUAN Plastics has become a large-scale scientific and environmentally friendly building materials enterprise integrating research and development, production and sales. PE water supply pipes, PSP Steel-Plastic composite pressure pipes, CPVC/MPP power pipes and many other high-quality products. JINQUAN Plastic Pipe Factory covers 100,000 square meters and operates over 100 advanced CNC pipe production machines, with an annual output exceeding 100,000 tons. JINQUAN Plastics' main products include HDPE double-walled corrugated pipes, double-buckled PVC reinforced pipes, ASA structural wall pipes. JINQUAN Plastics has enhanced its competitiveness by establishing a pipeline engineering technology research center, an advanced material research and development center. In 2017, JINQUAN Plastics independently developed a double-buckled PVC reinforced pipe that is highly resistant to pressure, lightweight and more corrosion resistant. In 2018, the GFPP fiber reinforced corrugated pipe developed and produced by JINQUAN Plastics, which is dedicated to the rural sewage environmental governance. In 2019, JINQUAN Plastics cooperated with scientific research institutions to develop ASA structural wall tubes with high strength, anti-aging, and long life, and obtained many patents. And its products are widely used in drainage and sewage treatment fields such as highways, municipal construction, residential areas, mines and bridges. In 2021, JINQUAN Plastics developed the PSP Nano Antibacterial Steel-Plastic Composite Pipe, using a 5-layer production process. It is eco-friendly, corrosion-resistant, and has a 99.97% antibacterial rate, earning multiple national patents. JINQUAN Plastics has obtained ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certifications, and all its products have passed the China Environmental Labeling Product Certification. JINQUAN Plastics insists that all its products are qualified and defect-free, and are widely used in various key projects, from large-scale infrastructure projects such as mine tunnels, bridges and road networks to real estate construction, urban landmarks, and rural environmental governance, and then has received unanimous praise. JINQUAN Plastics Company will continue to carry forward the spirit of pioneering, enterprising, pragmatic and innovative, and produce each product carefully.